It was a somber mood at the Fame 95 FM studios this afternoon following the passing of DJ and music producer Arif Cooper, who died suddenly early Sunday morning. Mr. Cooper reportedly collapsed at an event in St. Andrew while on stage. His colleagues have been reacting to the shocking news.
A creative genius is what many of the colleagues of Arif Cooper remembered him as.
He's always been pleasant. He's always one to, if it is that he's not afraid to laugh, humorous. He is one that you can relate to. If it is, Arif, can you so and so, and he's always willing. So it is really one of those moments that you really stop and you think that, listen, we're here today and we're gone tomorrow.
Mr. Cooper spent more than 25 years as a disc jock at Fame 95 FM and was known as one of Jamaica's most loved selectors at home and abroad. Now, in 1991, Mr. Cooper began DJing at house parties, dances, nightclubs, and eventually international festivals and major international dancehall events. He later joined Fame FM in the capacity of broadcaster, where he held the position until he died. His colleagues are devastated.
I grew up listening to Arif on Fame FM, and he really brought me a special joy anytime he was playing. I've come to know him ever since working here at Radio Jamaica, and he was truly a champion. This one just hit real hard. It hit home hard. It just goes to show that, listen, every day, love each other, be with each other, because the time that we have is so brief. It's like a candle in the wind, that's how life is.
He was very polite, always greet you with a warm, friendly smile. Based on the reaction, like I see when he's performing at a session, I know that he gets the crowd engaged. Everybody loved Arif Super Cooper, and he will be missed greatly.
But for some, the news was just too much to bear.
Watch me, Lord, in my time. Watch me, I beg you, watch me, Lord, today. Without you, there's no other way.
Mr. Cooper was also a music producer, working with the likes of Sean Paul, Charlie Blacks, Vibes Cartel, Conscience, Alkaline, and Elaine. He was also the son of musician and musical educator Michael Ibo Cooper. Aisha Nation, TVJ News.